Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this device. Firstly, open any apps, for example Gallery and Play Store. Then click on this left button and tap on the icon of an app. Select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one, and for example third one. If you want to see all of them, tap at the bubbles. As you can see, now I can use all of my apps at the same time. But if you want to close any of these windows, click on this icon at the top right corner of each of them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!